What's the meaning of crowd puller? Crowd puller. Crowd puller.
Crowd puller. Crowd puller. The term crowd puller refers to something or someone that attracts a large audience or gathers a significant amount of attention. This term is typically used in the context of entertainment, events, or products. A crowd puller can be a popular musician, a highly anticipated film, or a new and exciting gadget. Essentially, it is something that people are interested in and eager to see, experience, or own. A successful crowd puller will draw in significant crowds or interest, leading to increased exposure and potentially higher revenue or sales.